Hi, or should I say hello there? I'm hilarious. All right, hi, and welcome back to another lovely episode of Deeras Way. All right, so today, of course, I am sitting on the living room floor. Usually when I'm on the living room floor, that means I have packages to open or just, stuff to show y'all. I don't know. All right, so before we get started, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Subscribe right here. Okay, so today, I am unboxing something that I've wanted for a while and that I was just so like, oh my gosh, I can't believe, she's coming out with this. I want it so bad, etc, etc, etc. But anyway, as y'all have already read the title of this video, you guys, I'm unboxing. I can't even. Y'all, this made no sense. All right. The air fryer, Tabitha Brown's air fryer, yay. Okay, I'm gonna swoosh y'all back so y'all can see the whole thing. Okay, so today I am unboxing Tabitha Brown's air fryer. To move the stuff out the way. Okay, so I actually got this a couple of weeks ago, so it's been sitting here for a couple of weeks. Cause I've been busy, but I'm like, you know what? When I unbox this, I'm just gonna record it and I'm gonna show everybody. But anyway, I was so excited when she came out with this because I love her. I feel like she can never do any wrong. She has like a good spirit. She encourages everybody to just be themselves and just be free and then just basically live life unapologetically. I can speak, okay? But anyway, so I was so happy. I was like, oh my gosh, she got an air fryer. She also has a blender and a food processor. And then she has like other utensils, kitchen utensils and pans and all that other stuff. But yeah, I have never had an air fryer, but when she came out with one, I said, I'm gonna buy it because I like her. I really do. And like my little shorts are kind of like matching. Okay, I'm doing too much. All right, so I'm gonna open it. Ooh. And I read on the side of the box that it comes with recipes too. But when you open it, it says, what does it say? Time fries when you're having fun. That is so cute. Time fries when you're having fun. Okay, I'm gonna open it. Okay, what is this? Okay, so I think, these are the recipes. So this recipe right here comes with lemon pepper wedges right here, so y'all can see. And of course, it has this manual. Let me see. Okay, it's the manual. I thought it was gonna be extra recipes over here, but yeah, I was right. This is the manual. Got your little manual. And that's how it looks when it's packaged inside there. This is the thing you put inside the air fryer drawer right here. And I'm glad it's not just like, like you see those air fryers that be at the store and they be like $20, $25 and they be cheaply made. This right here is really heavy. So I know it ain't cheap. Okay. Ooh. Okay, let's take that out. That looks so pretty. It looks so pretty. Okay, it's upside down. Oh, is it? No, it's not. Okay. Y'all can't see my face because I'm trying to take this out. I don't know. I don't know how to do it. Let me see. This, if I do it sideways. Okay. Told y'all, it's heavy. Ugh. All right. Woo. And this box is so pretty. Box is pretty. All right, what does it say on the box? It says 6 cooking presets to cook a variety of foods. Cool touch handle. Just, you know, stuff that air fryer boxes say. All right. Okay. Scoot it back. Okay. Y'all, this thing in here. And it's a nice size too. It's a nice size. It's not like one of those, like I said, one of those cheap little air fryers. Goodness gracious, hold on. Oh, so we have our scissors. All right, ooh, this is cute. This is so cute. I also bought this because, of course, I love me some Tabitha Brown. But at the same time, sometimes you need to reward yourself, okay? Reward yourself. All right, so y'all, this is the air fryer. It's heavy, so I'm not gonna hold it up for too long. But yeah, there you go. It's like I don't know what kind of blue that is at the bottom. Y'all can help me out. All right, so yeah. Okay, so let's take this off so I can show y'all the inside. Is it tape on the other side too? It is. Ooh. It's over here. And it's like, I'm tongue tied right now. It's aesthetically pleasing too. I'm sure she went with white and, you know, just different colors for a reason. That way it kind of sticks out, it stands out. All right, so I took the tape off. Ooh. Okay, there's the drawer. And this is the drawer. Look like a little microwave right there. Oh, that's cute. All right, there's the drawer, and inside the drawer is the basket, and what is this? Oh, that's just the paper or something. Yeah, look at that, that's cute. That is so cute. And then I'm just gonna show y'all a little inside right here. It's heavy duty, child. I don't think y'all could just be playing around, tossing this, doing all that stuff. No. And of course, like I said, it comes with this that goes inside. And you got your settings, and then it has her name right here. That is so cute. Oh, look. Got like, I feel like these are handles. I feel like this is meant for being handles. Why am I so tongue-tied today? Yeah, I like it. It's cute. It's cute. Now I gotta find somewhere to put it on my counter because I got a lot of other appliances up there. I do. All right, y'all. Ooh, I didn't even do a thumbnail. Oh man, look. I'm about to do one with this empty box because of course I can't hold it up with the thing inside. All right. Which way? I don't know. All right, let's do the awkward thumbnail. Wait, let's move. Y'all, I got a lot going on here. All right. Can y'all even see me? I don't know. All right, that's it. We'll need this box. Come on. Okay, and I feel like I've seen her make these before. This lemon pepper potato wedges, all with blanched dressing. Oh, we got the dressing ingredients on here. Look at you, Tabitha. Look at you. And her stuff, like her food and stuff, is just now being sold at Target. Like instead of it just like, oh, we'll catch it and you know, ain't no more. It's just on the shelves now, just like the seasoning. Like I said, y'all, this is my first time having an air fryer. Is this supposed to open at the top? No, it's not. Don't let me, Yeah, this is my first time having an air fryer, and I'm glad I got Tabitha's air fryer because I love her, like I said. Yeah, this is really nice. This is really nice. Yeah, of course, y'all can stay tuned. Did I like bump myself? Oh, just moving. So yeah, this is the air fryer. Comes with the recipe. Comes with the manual. Blank. There you go. This. Yeah. Like I told y'all, I've never used an air fryer before. So I need to try this out before I start cooking with it, okay? I need to do like a little test run. Then I can show y'all like what I've been cooking in it, or you know, how to do what. Because I need to figure it out for myself first, because I'm not about to do no first time on here and then I don't know what to do. That's cute. Anyway, little buttons on here. I guess I'll just read the little buttons. Y'all can read them yourselves, but well, I can't hold this up too long. All right, so it just says air fryer, roast, crisp, dehydrate, keep warm, reheat, and then temperature, and then timer. I'm assuming this little thing right here is just like how you turn it on and off. Oh no, the light, because it looks like a little microwave inside. Ooh, y'all. But don't listen to me. Don't listen to me. This is my first time. This is my first time. But yeah, I think that is so cute. I think that is so cute. It's so adorable. I'm over here looking at this dang on top, trying to see like, oh, are you supposed to take this off? Like, no, girl, don't do that. You gonna break it before you even get a chance to use it. But anyway, yeah, this is Tabitha Brown's air fryer. It's cute. Yeah, and I'm gonna try it out. I don't know what I'm gonna cook in it first. I've seen that like chickpeas are pretty good as far as just like roasted them, whatever, in the air fryer. No, I know what I'm gonna do. I got me some sweet potato fries in there, and I want to try it in here. That's what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna try these later, because I don't have all of the ingredients for it yet, but they do look good. Especially this blanched dressing. I like the ingredients for it in here. Ooh, excuse me. But yeah, y'all, this is the air fryer. Yeah, I'm so happy. I'm glad I gifted myself this for all my hard work, child, because I be working, honey. I really do. I work really hard. But all right, I hope you guys, I hope they have them at y'all location too, because when it first came out, because I made sure I got it when it first came out, because the Target down here, when Tabitha stuff comes out, them people be buying it. And it be the other people buy, like everybody can buy it or whatever. But how am I saying this? People be buying it. They be buying it. I was, for example, when the food started coming out, like her food started coming out, she had like the ravioli, whatever, and stuff like that. The Target up here ain't that many black people that live over here, okay? A lot of white people. I went up in there, I was like, I'm gonna go, it's gonna be a lot for me, I'm gonna have a lot to choose from. And people said no. I went over there to little grocery, little grocery side. The lady next to me, the white lady next to me, she was like, all the ravioli is gone? I was like, dang, y'all be in here, they be buying it too, they be getting to it, but that's what I'm trying to say, they be getting to it before we do. So I had to make sure, when it came out that I went to the store, when the store opened, and I made sure I went on over there. It was only 2 over there on the shelf at the time. Cause I think she was just doing like a rollout. It wasn't like at every Target yet. Anyway, it was only 2 of these over there at the time. Then like the other stuff was over there. I was like, let me make sure I get this before somebody else comes. Child, I got it. I went when it opened. I hurried up and bought it, and of course it's here. Then I came back. I went back the next day. Cause I was trying to look at the price or whatever the other appliance, child. They gone. That whole shelf was gone. The shelves that was up, that whole Tabitha area was gone. I said, I'm glad. I'm glad I went over there first when it opened and I got what I needed, because they be taking it. They be buying it up, which is a good thing. But baby, save some for me. Save some for us. But anyway, yeah. Yeah. If they have them in your area, make sure you go buy it. If you don't have an air fryer, I heard air fryers are healthy. Go ahead and get it and support Miss Tabitha, because she supports us. She's such a lovely woman. All right, y'all. All right, that's it. That's the Tabitha Brown air fryer. My next video should be me using it. Don't quote me. Give me some time. But yeah. All right, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.